These are the new taillights. I'm gonna try to paint all of this and paint all of this.
Today's episode 5, I believe, something like that. Taking some of the door things out, took some of the dash out, got to take the odometer here out.
Where did that go now? Jesus Christ.
What?
I got shit growing legs and jumping all over around here.
Well, I know what to tell you, Ricky. Oh my God, it got my damn feet falling on me. We got it, fellas.
We can put a drill on the speedometer cable and see if it works. When we pull all that cable out, we'll put a drill on that end and we'll spin it and we'll see if it works. That works.
All right, fellas, another update. We got the whole dash out, as you can see. Kind of ripped the dash up, but oh well, it's old, it's junky. Got the heater core out, which was a pain, and had some sockets falling through the rust holes, as per usual. We got all the junk sitting here in the back, and also, I almost forgot to show this, but we got new tail lights. That's right. I'm gonna show them off. I'll probably take a better video whenever it's sunny outside and you can actually see it better, because, you know, the flash makes the quality trash, but check it out. These are the new taillights. Got them off 1A Auto. I got whacked pretty bad. It was 150 bucks each, but they're brand new and they look nice, so it is what it is. It'll look good when it's all painted and stuff, but yeah, this is it. That's probably gonna be it tonight, but I'll continue episode 5 into different videos, just because this one's a short one, so I'll continue it probably whenever we work on it next. All right, so just as an update, as you can see, there's some crap that got taken off of the front here. The whole front of the car is essentially off, or at least for this main front part. My dad discovered this morning that the frame was actually curled, I think it was downwards and outwards, so he had to take a mini sledge and just beat the shit out of it to get it level again, but it should be fine. There's a little tiny crack right there, but we think it'll be all right. Then we just took off everything right here, wheel hub, calipers, all that stuff. Then here, maybe later, we might move the jacks to the body and then take the spindles off, lower control arms and uppers. And then I'm gonna have to power wash some stuff, because I'm gonna try to paint all of this and paint all of this black, get that looking nice, power wash the majority of the crap off, hopefully, and sand down some iffy parts like right here. So, and then we'll just paint over it with the black rust paint, and I think it'll turn out pretty good. All right, fellas, so now we are setting up the power washer. We're about to try to clean up the front bumper and the front, like, radiator support, if you want to call it that. Then we will try to sand it down some, see if we can't get some of the dirt and crap off, and then paint it. So I'm going to set up the tripod and let's get going. All right, fellas. Well, after about, I don't even know, probably an hour worth of sanding, as you can see here, we got the majority of the surface rust off of it. Really, I didn't even have to put this much into it just because, you know, the primer or paint stuff we're using was really supposed to cover rust and stop rust. But I really probably should have taken a before video, but there was a lot of surface rust in here and I was able to take the majority of it off just by giving it a quick little sand. So it wasn't too bad. There are a few spots that are kind of grody, but YOLO, we'll paint over it, who cares. I was able to paint this part, or not paint, I was able to get this little tiny part down to bare metal, but it's just a few spots here and there where the little crap is coming off of it. But yeah, honestly, all this stuff really smoothed out pretty good. Yeah, it looks decent. Now I just gotta let that dry. This looks like it's already dried, or if not, it's pretty close. So I'll probably be painting this pretty soon. This one's all right, just surface rust on it really. Now we're gonna go see what Father Kaye is doing. Got the old K5 right here. Oh, he's making a face and he's pointing. What is it?
Update video.
Got the old spring off?
Yep. Fixing to remove the spindle. And it can be upper A-arm.
Yep. We heard you beating some stuff up from the backyard. Now that spindle's just dangling. Well, after a bit of beating with the mini sledge, we got that spindle off right here. I was gonna film it, but I didn't, just because, you know, this is gonna be like a 30-minute long video if I cut, or if I keep everything in. So now we got the paint right here, got flat, and then we got, oh, oops, we got normal. So we're gonna haul this to the back and go and paint this stuff. All right, now we got the paint right here. We're about to get to painting on the front radiator core support. Now we gotta shake this up. Oh shit, that was kind of cool. Give it the old test spray first. All right, make sure you get all the overspray on it. By the way, don't judge my painting skills on this, because I'm not gonna be like try-harding. I'm just gonna do like long, disgusting painting style, because I'm just trying to get one super thick coat on it. Now we're painting the other side. Time to purge the nitrous. Let's go. Just got done painting the back side. This back side is supposed to be flat black or matte black, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't really matter though, because it's just the back side, so who cares. And yeah, you can kind of tell this side's a little more shiny in the inside, but yeah, this is it. I think I got everything covered on it. Looks like it is covered, so it'll be ready to go back on the car. I think it looks mean. Now I just got to order some upper control arms, lower control arms, shocks, and a lot of other shit. So I'm also about to paint this puppy. Had to switch to the wide angle. I'm probably about to paint this as well. I don't know about right now, but if not, I'll just paint it tomorrow. As you can see, we kind of got the frame off, got the K member off, and everything else is in the backyard right now because we were painting all of it. So we'll go check out the stuff that we painted. All right, ahead of time for the background noise. Lady next door is mowing. But yeah, this is the front bumper, the metal part. We got this all painted flat black, and then we painted the spindles and the lower control arms. It's supposed to be an aluminum color. They look chrome though. But I think it's fine. It'll probably look cool. They ran out of black paint everywhere else, so I think it's gonna look good. And if I don't like it, I can always paint it later, who cares. As you can see right here, we got the frame. We'll get this painted, and hopefully if everything is ready, we will be able to put this back on the car. Also, for the control arms, we decided we're just gonna rebuild these ones. Just put new bushings in them. So here are the uppers. There's the springs. We painted the springs black as well. Those are pretty good. All right, we just got the bottom part painted flat black. And now, I know you'll probably be able to pick up and see some rusty looking parts, but we just can't really paint the inside like that. But we're about to flip it over pretty soon and try to paint the top side. And just to show y'all what we were using, or what we've been using, is this Rust Tough enamel stuff. You can get it in either flat or gloss, I guess you would say. I mean, this stuff seems to work really good. It covers up all the rust like it says it does. And yeah, as you can see, we've already burned through a lot of cans of them, and we got to order more. So pretty good stuff. I like it. Hopefully it really does eliminate rust like it says it does. And yeah, this stuff has been pretty good for us. All right, now we got the top of the frame painted, looking good. The spray bottle was, or spray can was messing up on me and spitting a ton, so got a little dirty, but that's all right. That's a part of it. And yeah, so now that all this is painted, it will be ready to put back on the car. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video here. This is episode 5, I think, maybe. This is gonna be a long one. I'm just gonna have to cut a bunch of crap out and just do, you know, big jump cuts. I'm gonna end it on this part. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate it. See you guys later. Thank you for watching, and peace out.